I'm back with Mental Math Part 3, and today we're diving into a powerful Vedic math trick. What if I told you that multiplying big numbers in your head can actually be faster than using a calculator? Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a lightning-fast trick for multiplying numbers. And the best part? Once you learn it, you'll never look at multiplication the same way again.
All right, let us begin with our first example. Suppose we want to multiply 62 by 34. Step 1, divide it into 4 parts like this. Now multiply this 6 with this 3. That gives you 18, and we write it here like this. Next, multiply this 2 with this 4. That gives you 8, and again write it here like this. But since we always want 2 digits, we write it as 08. Now multiply this 2 with this 3. That gives you 6, and this 6 with this 4, that gives you 24. Now add 6 plus 24, and you get 30. Write it slightly to the side like this. And finally, add these to get the answer 2,108. And we are done.
That's crazy.
You saw how simple that was. It may take a little longer to explain, but once you understand the process, you can do any 2-digit multiplication easily. Let us try another example so it becomes even clearer. Suppose we want to multiply 47 by 23. Again, divide it into 4 parts and multiply this 4 with this 2. That gives you 8, but we write it as 08 here. Next, multiply this 7 with this 3. That gives you 21, and we write it here. Now, multiply this 7 with this 2, which gives you 14, and this 4 with this 3, which gives you 12. Add them together, and you get 26. Write this slightly to the side as earlier. And finally, add this to get 1,081. And that's our answer. Amazing, right? Let us try one more example. 82 multiplied by 96. Now, you know the drill. Divide it into 4 parts and multiply this 8 with this 9 to get 72. Write it here. Then multiply this 2 with this 6 to get 12. And write it here as 012. Again, multiply this 2 with this 9 to get 18, and this 8 with this 6 to get 48. Add these to get 66. Write that here. Now, add these together, and you have your answer. That is 7,872. That's great, right?
Super fast, isn't it? Let's do another one to make it even clearer. 75 multiplied by 68. Divide it into 4 parts and multiply this 7 with this 6 to get 42 and write it here. Next, multiply this 5 with this 8 to get 40 and write it here. Now, multiply this 5 with this 6 which gives 30 and this 7 with this 8 to get 56. Add those two together to get 86 and write that here. Finally, add everything together and you get 5,100 and that's our answer. Quick and fast, right? Let's do one more. 84 multiplied by 72. This time, we'll do it with lightning speed. 8 times 7 is 56, so write this here. 4 times 2 is 8, so write it here as 08. Again, 4 times 7 is 28, and 8 times 2 is 16. Add those together to get 44 and write this here. Finally, add everything up and you have your answer, which is 6,048. And just like that, you just learned a powerful shortcut to multiply numbers faster than lightning speed. At first, it might take a little practice, but once you learn it, you'll be solving 2-digit multiplication problems within seconds, and maybe even your friends think you're genius. Now it's your turn. Multiply 86 by 92 and drop your answers in the comments. Let's see who gets them right. If you found this video really helpful and we've added some value, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel Mathspire for more mental math tricks. Thanks for watching, and keep on learning.